Press start.
Hello, I'm Princess Sally Acorn. We will learn about public and civic holidays. A public holiday is a holiday generally established by law and is usually a non-working day during the year. In our country US, these public holidays are classified into two types: fixed holidays and floating week holidays. In a fixed holiday, a holiday observed by all employees, except those necessary to provide emergency services, on a certain designated date. For example, Independence Day of United States is on the 4th of July. Another example, Christmas Day is on 25th of December during winter, and is before New Year holidays. Whereas, the floating week holidays, a public holiday that does not fall on the same calendar. For example, a Thanksgiving holiday of US is around November 22nd to 28th. Another example, let's consider Mother's Day, is around May 8th to 14th. These holidays are never fixed. You can find lots of various public holidays that can be fixed, or floating that can be found in some calendars, and in other countries too. On the other hand, the section is about civic holidays. A civic holiday is a holiday that is legally recognized and celebrated as a holiday in a particular sovereign state or jurisdictional subdivision of such a state or a province. For example, it is celebrated in most of Canada on the first Monday in August, though it is officially known by that term only by the governments of Nunavut and the Northwest Territories, where it is a territorial statutory holiday. There are various civic holidays that can be celebrated, such as British Columbia Day in British Columbia, New Brunswick Day in New Brunswick, Saskatchewan Day in Saskatchewan, Natal Day in Nova Scotia, and Terry Fox Day in Manitoba. So this topic we have learnt about public and civic holidays. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.